Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna take you on a little trip to kind of small state park here near the Boot Heel called Moore State Park. Come on, let's go. Welcome back to another episode of Ozark Drone Adventures. I'm glad you're here, and as you heard in the opening, we are at Moore State Park just outside of Campbell, Missouri. Today's journey may surprise you because this isn't the rugged, rocky terrain of the true Ozarks, but a different kind of natural wonder. Located in the flatlands of the Mississippi River Delta, Moore State Park is home to a unique geological formation known as Crowley's Ridge. This is an ancient strip of hills rising over 200 feet above the surrounding floodplain. It's truly a geological oddity, formed by thousands of years of wind-blown silt and erosion. The entire area is a mature sand woodland, a rare natural community in Missouri. It's a testament to the powerful forces of nature that shape this landscape. This short paved section and overlook are the initial parts of the park's main trail and offer a great introductory experience for the park's unique features. The interpretive panels along the paved route contain information about the park's geological significance and unique ecology, specifically focusing on Crowley's Ridge. This initial 0.1 mile of trail is designated as accessible, making it a good option for all visitors to learn about the area's natural history. The park is a haven for hikers with a 2.7 mile loop trail that takes you through different natural communities. The Beech Tree Trail is the perfect example, starting on top of the ridge and descending into the bottomlands before returning to the top. This is where you can see some of the park's most fascinating features, unusual soil types, and rare plant species, including the American beech, a tree more commonly found in the eastern United States. I used to not be. Hey, we're not going to go much further, buddy. We'll turn around. You don't want to turn around?
Okay.
You got to be careful. We're not gonna go much further, buddy. I did not realize it was like this. I thought it was just a small little path. I love this.
I love it too.
But I didn't think it was gonna be like this. I'm glad I didn't bring y'all out here by myself. I'm so funny.
No.
No, you won't be able to fit under it. You're tall now, buddy. I didn't plan on going much further, baby. Like, I'm getting ready to turn around. I just wanted to see this area right here. Love you, brother. Okay, it's gonna be kind of tricky right through here. You got it, Mama? All right, this is where we're gonna stop, guys. Let's enjoy the view for a second.
That's gorgeous.
But the story of the land goes beyond the park's boundaries. The town of Campbell is known as the peach capital of Missouri. For over a century, the area has been a hub for peach production with thousands of acres of orchards. The unique soil of Crowley's Ridge and the sandy loam is perfect for growing these delicious fruits. In fact, the founder of this very park, Jim D. Morris, grew up working the peach and cotton fields right here in the Boot Heel region. He donated the land in 1999, which is why the park is nestled right alongside the modern-day peach orchards. This is really cool. I wouldn't mind going the whole loop one of these days.
We need to get biking boots if we're gonna keep doing this stuff.
Why?
So we can have other quick rivers and not tear up our tennis shoes.
I probably won't get hiking boots. Definitely don't need to do it in Crocs though. My backpack's too heavy too. Slow down, baby girl.
He was trying to get down this uphill.
I know that's a cool tree, ain't it? I was just recording that tree. Come on, buddy. You alright? So when you visit Morris State Park, you are not just seeing the natural wonder, you're visiting a tiny sliver of preserved history surrounded by a thriving agricultural legacy that defines the corner of Missouri. Does he? Moore State Park is more than just a place for a walk. It's a step back in time. It's a place to witness the power of geology and the resilience of nature. It reminds us of even the most unexpected places, there is an adventure waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss any of our next adventures. We'll see you in the next video.